Moon beat this in a timely manner would be to do Artificial Ascent next. This would actually be a new hardest for me. What was that run? Hello? Was that on day what? On day 4? Day 4 of Black Blizzard. I just got a 25 to 100% run. Yo, I gotta take a breather after that. What the heck? What? What? 40%? That was a stupid death, but what? Okay. What? Why do I keep getting lucky with 25 to 40 when I get there from 0? I'm like a little upset because I kind of wasted that attempt because that, like, I died to an easy part. That was kind of stupid, but wow. All right, well, 37 make 41. Oh my god. All right, well, I'm gonna go practice 40 now. I don't know why I died there, actually. I just got nervous, I think. This part's easy.